Founder, the Sheikh Adam, and the tomb comprises the tomb of his father and his mother.
Eminence, I think Dr. Tanko has probably said all that we hear. With this, because of this period of Ramadan fasting, had contacted Tanko and said, we need to go around and visit our brothers of the Muslim faith across the country and everything. And we've been touring, we've been to Lafayette, CDMA, we've been to Naira, we've been to a couple of places. We've been to a couple of places. Tomorrow we are traveling up to Sokoto and everything. And as we agreed that we are going to come today to pay our respects to you for the great work you're doing here. When you related to me, how the school started in 1952. Yes. In Abeokuta. Now he was moved to Agege in 1957 and everything. I said, thank you, we must go here. And that's why we're here, to pay our respects for the great work you're doing and to continue to preach brotherhood, preach caring of each and everything. Like I always said when I was campaigning, today is no politics, but I always said when I was campaigning, no religion buys bread cheaper. None have cheaper fuel. None buys food cheaper. When there's hunger, for everybody. When there's problem, for everybody. No tribe buys bread cheaper. No tribe buys anything cheaper. When there's a problem, it's everybody. So that as brothers, we should all work hard for a better Nigeria. A Nigeria where a son of nobody, child of nobody, can be great and become something. And it's available. I always said to the North, we can make more money from you than we make from money. Because we're the only country in the world that has 60% of our vast land uncultivated. That can change the world. And to the South, we have all the talent and everything that can change the world. What we are lacking is not the air. It's not the human being, it's the leadership. But today, it's just to pay respect. Elections are over. It's for me to go around and pay my respects and assure people that we have no other country except this one, and we must love each other. That is the real proposal we're here. Just the spirit of what is happening now, to continue to ask for prayers, our country, for it to be a better place. Always repeated, I'm not desperate to be president. I'm not desperate to see Nigeria work. Where poor people can get up and say, this is their country. Not where the poor are suffering and suffering and suffering.
1992. His father and his mother.
Time of this is the time of sacrifice, it's a time of prayers, it's a time that we have to go around asking people to pray for our country as we go through difficult times like this. And you know, going around and visiting affords you opportunity of experiencing in real time what people are going through and what is happening, and asking for more and more prayers, because we need, the country requires prayers. So I'm here today for that purpose.
So how do you think events like this help to foster unity, especially in the current landscape in Nigeria?
It is critical because it shows that we're just same, we're just human, we love each other. As you can see, coincidentally, the Ramadan fasting coincides with even the Christian fasting. These things shows love and unity, and going to make people understand Now, there's nothing different in all of us. We're the same. Like I always say, no religion buys bread cheaper. None buys fuel cheaper. It's everybody's. If there's a problem, it's a problem for everybody. Can you show me where Muslims buy bread cheaper so I can go there and buy? Can you show me where they buy rice and food cheaper? No. So these are critical things that we're all learning. We're all the same. It is critical that we love each other. We care for each other. So I've come here to support them in breaking the fast by probably, that's it.
So sorry, sir. To those people saying there's a political undertone to this, what would you say to them?
There's no election. I didn't come time of election. I would have come for when there was election. I came then when there's no election. Because I believe in this.
Okay, so
Like I said before, it's not about election. Election doesn't make bread cheaper.
okay, Your Excellency,
Okay.
You have gone around and you are still going around.
I'm still going around. I still continue to
After
go.
your impression, if you gather all this impression, will this going to change your message? Because your message has been consistent.
It remains the same. Because if we are productive, people won't be suffering. I'm not desperate. I say it every day to be president of Nigeria. I'm desperate to see Nigeria at war. I'm desperate to see a society where a child of nobody can be great, become somebody, be respected in the society, where we're all the same.
okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Excuse me.